fun games.
Hi there, I'm Jessica. I am a princess. Princess of the ocean. Let's draw me. You can do it.
I'm pink and green, orange and purple and blue. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow to you.
Look, it's me. Good job.
I'm yellow, I'm pink,
Let's take some picture.
orange and purple.
Cue background.
I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow.
Hope you had memorable time.
To you.
Hi, I'm Jessica's sister. I'm a princess too. Do you like my look? Let's draw me.
I'm yellow, I'm pink and green,
You can do it.
I'm purple, I'm
Follow my lead.
I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow to you. Red and yellow, I'm pink and green, orange and purple and blue. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow to you. Red and yellow, I'm pink and green, orange and purple and blue.
Wow, you are so talented. Can you take some picture for me? Thanks, little princess.
Sing a rainbow to you. Red and yellow, I'm pink and green, orange and purple and blue. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a
Hey,
rainbow.
don't go yet. I have a mini game for you. It's very funny. Follow me, little princess. Welcome to the ocean. Let's play mini game. Water chess. One day when I was at home, someone threw garbage in the sea. That's a bad behavior.
I'm yellow,
Destroys the marine environment.
orange,
So now I need to pick up the chest. Please help me, little princess.
sing a rainbow, sing
Click on the chest to collect garbage.
a rainbow to you.
Be careful with the bomb. Let's try again. You can do it.
I'm pink and green, orange and purple and blue.
The seashell stuck in a plastic bag.
Rainbow,
You are doing well.
rainbow, sing a rainbow to you.
You are almost done. Collect all 20 trash bags.
Yellow, I'm pink and green, orange and purple and blue. I can sing a
Good job, princess! You have collected 3 stars. Hope you had a good time with this game. You can watch more interesting videos, like and subscribe this channel. And don't forget to turn on the bell. See you next time.